Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the Tesla solar roof. The Tesla solar roof is an integrated solar power system that completely replaces your home's existing roof. Unlike traditional solar panels that are mounted on top of shingles, the solar roof is made up of durable, tempered glass tiles that have solar cells built directly into them. These solar tiles are designed to look virtually indistinguishable from regular, high-end roofing materials like slate or textured tiles, offering a sleek, uniform aesthetic without the bulky look of traditional solar panels. Only a portion of the tiles are active solar-producing tiles, but they blend seamlessly with non-solar glass tiles to cover the entire roof. The active tiles capture sunlight and convert it into direct current, DC, electricity. This electricity is then sent to an inverter, typically installed in your home, which converts it to alternating current, AC, electricity to power your lights and appliances. A key part of the system is the optional, but highly recommended, integration with the Tesla Powerwall, a home battery. This battery stores any excess solar energy generated during the day. This stored energy can then be used to power your home at night or provide backup power during a grid outage, increasing your energy independence. In simple terms, the Tesla solar roof is a durable, long-lasting roof that simultaneously acts as a powerful solar energy generator, helping to reduce or eliminate your monthly electricity bills while enhancing your home's appearance. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.